Hi there, Dr. Evan Osar here with my good friend. She's above me right now, Diane Bailey. We are so excited to bring you this one-day conference. It's an East meets West approach looking at how to improve three major components in our older adults. Number one, posture, because we know that when our clients are aligned well, they have ability to, number two, balance, set themselves up for success as they transition their weight from two legs to single leg stance. And then to three, walk and move forward or move to the side, and even at times need to move backwards. So we're super excited to collaborate our information, the integrative movement system, assess, address, and progress your clients, and then integrate it with open the door to Tai Chi.
And we have this one-day workshop here in Denver coming up September 18th, and we wish that everyone could be with us live. And we are very excited to have as many people live as possible. But we also wanted to give you the opportunity to join us virtually, because it is such important information for all of our clients, especially our older clients, to improve their balance, to improve their posture, to improve their gait, that we want to offer this virtual opportunity to you so that as many professionals as possible can be helping as many of their clients as possible.
So we are going to open up this session and we're going to be able to offer it to you virtually. So we will have a camera with us and we'll be able to position it so that you can follow us just as if you're right there along with us. We want you to be there live if you can. However, if you can't be there live, we will also send you the recording. So it's a 8-hour session and we look forward to being able to reach you with this virtual information, because as you said, Diane, it's so important that we get this information out, because when we think about the things that will challenge our clients, our older clients the most, it's their posture, it's their balance, it's their walking. If we can get them a better strategy for those three important components, we can get them a better strategy for exercise, for living their life, for living an independent life. And that's what we want for all our clients. So we look forward to offering you this opportunity and seeing you live or virtual at this one-day event coming up in September. You'll see the link and more information about it at the Functional Aging Institute. Diane and I look forward to seeing you there.
Bye.